If you're searching for RAK Company Cost 2026, most guides miss the 3 hidden fees that add $890. Here's the real breakdown. Here's the problem. Government websites show $1,450. Reality, RAK Free Zone license costs $1,450 base, then $600 for visa processing within 14 days. Most founders forget the $290 Emirates ID fee. They block your bank account for 8 weeks. RAK, Ras Al Khaimah, is one of the cheapest UAE free zones in 2026, but the advertised price never matches the invoice. A Singapore SaaS founder opens RAK Media City for the listed $1,450, then gets hit with visa costs, Emirates ID, document attestation, and office deposit. Within 30 days his total is $2,340, and he still doesn't have a bank account. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to give you the real all-in cost before you commit. Most people fail here. They budget for the license only, not the mandatory add-ons. RAK free zones require a resident visa to activate your trade license. That visa costs $600 for medical, Emirates ID, and stamping. If you skip it, your license sits inactive for 90 days and you can't open a bank account. Do not sign the incorporation documents until you confirm the visa pathway and total cost in writing. Step 1. Decide which RAK free zone fits your business. RAK Media City costs $1,450. Bastion Formations handles RAK company setup for AED $5,500, including trade license, visa processing, Emirates ID coordination, and registered office in one bundle. Most Dubai agencies charge AED $8,000 to $12,000 for the same package. Step 2. Add visa and Emirates ID to your budget. Visa medical and typing costs $600, Emirates ID costs $290, document attestation through a PRO costs $200. This is important because banks won't open your account until Emirates ID is issued, and that takes 21 days from application. Bastion Formations includes all of this in the AED $5,500 package, so you get one invoice, not 6 surprise charges. Here's the problem. Path A is DIY online incorporation for $1,450, then you scramble for visa appointments, wait 6 weeks for Emirates ID, and spend another $890 on hidden fees. Path B is Bastion Formations handling the full RAK setup for AED $5,500. You get license, visa, Emirates ID, and bank introduction in 28 days with 0 surprises. Once your RAK company is active, you need a corporate bank account. Most founders waste for weeks applying to Mashreq or Emirates NBD and get rejected because they don't have 6 months of invoices yet. Here's the exact email template to send to RAK Bank Corporate Team. Subject: New RAK Free Zone Company, Corporate Account Application. Body: I registered, requesting corporate account with debit card and online banking. Attaching trade license, passport copy, Emirates ID copy, and Edgery. Available for in-person meeting at RAK branch this week. Send that to RAK Bank Corporate at rakbank.ae with all attachments in one PDF under 5 megabytes. Subject: New RAK Free Zone Company, Corporate Account Application. Body: I registered, company name, RAK license is $1,450. Total real cost is $2,340 minimum first year. Budget $600 visa, $290 Emirates ID, $200 attestation on. Bastion Formations does full RAK setup for AED $5,500 all in, link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit bastionformations.com for help setting up your RAK company with 0 hidden fees. Visit https://bastionformations.com.